Mexico. This is our home here in Mexico. We're on the ground level right now, aka the garden level. This is where we get our boogie on, getting our workouts, do different little woodworks and all that kind of good stuff. I love this basement space. It was a bonus space for us. So let me show you the space that we found for us that we really like.
Hey, you just saw the ground level. Now we're going to take a look at the second level of our home. It's the place where we hang out the most because it's a combination of a living room and a kitchen and dining room space. What we love about this space is that it has this beautiful like 3-pane glass door. It lets in a lot of light, and there's also
an open floor plan.
It's an open floor plan, yes, and there's also huge windows on the other side of the floor, so it lets in a lot of light. Let's take a look inside. All right, so our living room space, and what was really cool about our landlord is that he semi-furnished the apartment, so it came with the couch. It also came with the table that's in the kitchen. With homes in Merida, if they are unfurnished, you're not going to find a stove or a refrigerator in the kitchen. And what was really cool about our landlord is that he provided a full-size 6-eye gas stove and oven and a full-size refrigerator. So we're lucky to have this here. We did mention before that it is hot in Merida, so we do not bake or cook often in this space because it really gets heated here. But a quick fix is having a grill outside where we're able to grill all of our meat once a week and keep the doors and windows open to let in a nice breeze. A point about the breeze and how hot it is, we mentioned in our video about tips on sunlight is great, and what many people do in Merida if you don't have AC is that they learn to live from the fans. They live from the wind that comes off of the fan. So we have 2 ceiling fans here, but we also purchased 2 floor fans that we use if ever we get too hot.
Is there a bathroom on this level?
Yes, there is. We do have a half bath in this space, and I want to mention that the entire space is about 2,000 square feet. So this level, the second level, includes our kitchen, dining room area, living room space, and a half bath. All right, guys, we're gonna check out the third level. Let's go. Our third floor has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. This is our bedroom, the master bedroom, which comes with a balcony. Both rooms come with a good amount of shelf space and storage for clothes. We have drawers. There's enough for both of our things here. And one of the reasons why we look forward to bedroom home is because we both work from home and we work online, and we teach English online. So we need separate spaces to have our classrooms while we teach. So Rondell's classroom is in our bedroom. This is his setup here. And I'll show you the next space, which is where we have our working area and where I have my classroom. Let's go. Come on over, baby. All right. So this is our working area. Whenever we have some things that we want to get done, things that we're working on, ideas to build passive income and things like that, we work in this space. Home isn't home in Mexico unless you have a hammock. So we did buy ourselves a really nice hammock.
We bought ourselves a hammock, baby.
Yeah, I really wanted the hammock, but Rhonda is welcome to use it.
Right.
Whenever he wants. This is my classroom set up over here, and this is just where I teach my classes. So we have separate spaces where we don't really need to hear each other or interfere with each other's classes.
And both the bedrooms come with the AC.
Yeah, both the bedrooms come with an AC, which is a
tons
must.
of light comes in here, which is why we got the shutters down right now, because it's really bright. And when the sun comes, so does the heat. a 10-gallon hot water heater that's accessed through here. If you need to light the pilot or whatever, anytime you get your apartment, make sure you know where your hot water heater is at. This is also where they access the gas and refill our tank. They come out here and climb on top of our house to refill the gas tank.
So that's it. Those are our 2 bedrooms here, and the last thing to show you is the full bath. And there we have it.
Our ginormous bathroom.
Let me turn on the light. Alright, so you know, your standard sink, toilet, shower. Most bathrooms in Merida don't come with a tub, so it's just a shower. The water pressure is okay here, and the bathroom is sufficient for us. Alright guys, that was it. That was a tour of our home in Merida. Thank you guys for following along.
I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, with $450 gets you in Merida, Mexico. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 2,000 square feet, 3 levels, internet included, partially furnished. Oh, I forgot about it. So furnished was the beds, or the 2 beds, and sofa, full refrigerator, kitchen table, and a full stove.
Yeah.
Shoot, a 6-eye stove. That's what's up. Those are not common here, so that was a big deal. We got everything on our wish list except for the AC in the living room. What was also on my wish list was someplace where I could barbecue. So I'm really happy that we got that deck up top too.
Right.
It's all good, man. You guys have any questions, hit us up in the comments. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't subscribed,
right, please subscribe if you want to see more content from us. Again, thank you guys for joining us. This is our home for 8,500 pesos in Merida, Mexico, and we'll see you next time.
Chuck and the deuce. Holla back.
Adios.